Hey guys, this is how you sign up for an Amazon S3 account. Click sign up now. Click the I am a new user and put in your information. And now you're going to enter all of your information here. You know how to do this part. Alright, after you've signed up, the way you'll get to it is you can just go to, you can type in the amazon.com/S3 or go to aws.amazon.com. Up here at the top, go to AWS Management Console. And you got all these choices. Don't let these overwhelm you. You just care about S3. Just click on that. And you get this very inviting interface. And it even tells you what to do. To get started, create a bucket to hold your objects. Makes sense? You should always have a bucket. So I'm going to just say, probably want to throw the name of your company in there because it has to be unique across all of Amazon S3. So let's see if that lets us do it. Hit create. All right, and it's going to say this bucket is empty, and that's okay. We don't need to worry about that because I'm going to show you how to configure the plugin. And this is essentially, if you can imagine, it's just like a big storage tank at Amazon's cloud server where we're going to automatically send the backups to. All right, to get this plugin installed, we need to go to your dashboard, your admin panel, and then go down here to plugins, and then click Add New. And then for search, put in Automatic WordPress Backup. Click Search Plugins. And it's this first one right here, Automatic WordPress Backup by Dan Coulter. Click Install Now. Yes, you're sure you want to install it. And now click Activate Plugin. All right. It should install something called Volcanic, which is the name of the web design company that built the plugin. You'll see that there, and then click Automatic Backup. All right, so when you get here, there are several things you're going to see. Don't let these frighten you. First, we have the AWS access key, and you're going to get that by going over here back to your S3 account and click on your name over here and go to Security Credentials. And it may ask you for your info again. All right, so this is the security credentials page, and what we care about is this section called access keys. This is the first key that you want, the access key. You can put that in there. Then you can show this secret access key, and you'll just need to copy this. Make sure you don't grab any spaces at the end. Copy that. By the way, I'm using a shortcut on a PC. It's Control-C for copy. On a Mac, it's Command-C. And then I'm just flipping back and forth between these two tabs to make life easy. Put it in the secret key, and then what you're going to need to do is click Save Changes. What that does is it actually loads your buckets that you created over here. You see that? Now, here are the options that you can, that's how you know this is working, by the way. If that shows up, everything's good. If it doesn't show up, make sure that you've got the right access and secret key over there. Choose your backup schedule. Basically, keep in mind, Amazon S3 is extremely inexpensive. I back up a ton of stuff on Amazon S3 and pay maybe $1 a month for backup, maybe $2 a month. So you really want to back up as often as will make you feel comfortable, and honestly, I think you should make sure you're backing up everything, which means all of these checkboxes should be checked. If you want a daily backup schedule, that's great. You can do it weekly, monthly. You definitely want it automatically backing up, otherwise it defeats the point. You might want this in there, delete backups older than a month, just so you don't have a bunch of extra stuff in there, and keep a monthly backup for 1 year. That's probably a good idea. And then you can keep manual backups forever. You can choose how you want to support them, and then click Save Changes. All right, so you should see all this in green if everything's good, and you're ready. Then Save Changes and Backup Now. When you click that, it's not extremely clear what's going on. The page just kind of reloads, and it's maybe not very clear, but it just says your manual backup is started. It says that it has a backup, but it doesn't really show us a backup. So the best thing to do is wait a few minutes and then check your Amazon S3 account. You may need to hit refresh and there you'll see a folder. If everything worked right, you'll see a folder there, and when you open it up, you'll see the name of your site, and there are your backups.